Hello developers, welcome to day 8 of our 15 days object-oriented programming series. In this video, we'll try to understand the second object-oriented programming feature, that is polymorphism. The meaning of polymorphism is many forms. What do you mean by that? Is if one component is having multiple forms, nothing but multiple behaviors, then we call it as polymorphism in Java. So what do you mean by that? Is if one component should have multiple behaviors. So that could be an object or could be a method. So polymorphism in Java is implemented by using method overloading and method overriding. So first we understand what is method overloading. The same method should have a different behaviors by changing its signature is called as method overloading. So method overloading can be implemented within the same class or within the derived classes. Method overriding is a feature of the same method with same signature will have a different behavior. So that will be implemented only in the derived class. Now let us understand how we implement method overloading and then how we implement method overriding programmatically. Hey, thanks for watching our content so far. If you are new to Training Mark, we're the fastest growing technology training company and create content to help freshers like you to master the disruptive technologies like full stack development, AML, cloud, DevOps, etc. If you like the content so far, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon not to miss any new content from us. Like and share this video with all your friends. Let's build your career and the community together. If you look at our product class, we have void display product details method, which is displaying the details of the product. Now suppose I might have a requirement of displaying products based on a brand, or I want to display products from minimum price to maximum price. So these are all displaying the product details. So I don't need to take different method names for this. The same method will have a multiple behavior. So that is what you call as method overloading. So method overloading always will be implemented for the methods with the similar functionality. So example, here I'm now taking another method like void. So when I say we are changing the signature of the method, you can change either a return type or you can change the parameters depending upon your requirement. So but the method signature should be different. So now here I'm saying same method, display product details. Method name must be same. Now here I'm passing a parameter called display brand, string brand. Now here I may write a code to display all products from the brand. Right? So this shows all the products from the brand. Or let us write an SOut statement saying that display all the products from the brand name, so whatever the brand that you pass. And similarly, I'm creating another overloaded method saying display product details. So now here I'll pass double min price, comma double max price. So I want to filter all the products and show within the price range. So now I'm writing an SOut statement, display all the products from piece min price and max and the piece max price. So I'm just writing an SOut statement. So this is what we call it as a method overloading, which is implemented within the same class. Now similarly, we can also implement it in subclass. So example, now here I want to create another method, display product details. Right? Now I can pass some int minimum RAM size or int maximum RAM. Right? So now this is a different implementation. Now I'll say display all products from minimum RAM size of plus minimum RAM plus and max RAM size plus max RAM, right? So this is also overloaded method in the subclass. Now let us try to invoke them. So now within this inheritance test, now I'm now creating another one called polymorphism test. Now I'm creating my main method. Now within this, now let me create the laptop is equal to new laptop, right? So now I'll say laptop dot now display product. Now you can say I can invoke all the values, all the methods. Now laptop dot display product details from a brand Lenovo, then laptop dot display product details within the minimum price of 30,000 to 50,000. Then like this, I can invoke all the properties. Laptop dot display products with minimum RAM size of 16 GB to 32 GB or something like that. So now when I run this code, so it will invoke all the methods and show the output something like this. So this is the way we use method overloading. Now what do you mean by method overriding? Is now in my product, I have a class called display product details, but these display product details are basically showing only these values, not my product, not my laptop values. So now if I want to override this functionality, now I'll say void display product details, same method with the same signature. I'm not changing the signature. Then I'm now calling the super dot display product details because I also want to print all the properties of my base class. Okay, I don't want to duplicate that code. Now then I can write my own property here, like the properties that what I have is brand, right, plus brand s out processor is plus processor, etc. Right? Now to invoke this, now when I run this my polymorphism test, when I call this method display product details, earlier it was calling till quantity only, but now it will print brand and then other values as well. So when I run this, now you may see that it is printing the properties, but brand and processor will come null because we're not setting any value. But previously it was invoking from the base class, but now it is invoking from the derived class. So this is what you call it as overriding. So this is how the polymorphism implemented in Java using method overloading and method overriding. So if you like the video, please hit a like and then subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with all your friends. Let's build a great developer community all together. See you in the next videos.